Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, in our last class we have discussed about ratios and percentage, and also we have solved some examples by using ratios and percentage. So let us solve some examples. What do find? How to find the increase or decrease percentage? Here is an example. The price of a scooter was rupees 34,000 last year. So it has increased by 20% this year. What is the price now? And the second question is, suppose the price of the scooter was decreased by 5% to increase the sale, then what is the price of the scooter now? So let us solve the first question. So it can be solved in two ways. So we will solve one by one. So let first is first method. So the price of the scooter is rupees 34,000. It has increased by 20%. So first we have to find the increased amount. The increased amount is equal to 20% of rupees 34,000. So this is equal to 20 by 100 multiplied with 34,000. So this is 6,800 rupees. So this is the increased amount. Then what is the price after increase in price of the scooter, or the new price of the scooter? Is equal to previous price plus increased amount. So this is equal to rupees 34,000 plus rupees 6,800. So this is equal to 40,800 rupees. So this is the amount or price of the scooter after increasing 20%. So let solve this in second method. So the price of the scooter is rupees 34,000. Let the price of the scooter is rupees 100. Let the price of the scooter is rupees 100. It is increased by 20%. That means it increased 20 rupees in the price 100 rupees. So it increased by 20%. So the increased amount is 20. So when the price of the scooter is 100, then after increase, the new price of the scooter will be 120. So the new price of the scooter is rupees 120. So when the price is 100, new price is 120. When the price is rupees 34,000, then new price is 120 by 100 multiplied with 34,000. So this is equal to rupees 40,800. The same price we got. By applying any method, you can solve this type of questions. Solve the second question. Suppose the price of the scooter was decreased by 5% to increase the sale. Then what is the price of the scooter? So here this question will solve in two ways. So this is our first method. So the price of the scooter is rupees 34,000 and it was decreased by 5%. So first we have to find what is the decreased amount. So the decreased amount is equal to 5% of rupees 34,000. So this is equal to 5 by 100 multiplied with 34,000. So this is equal to rupees 1700. Then what is the new price? So new price of the scooter is equal to previous price minus decrease amount. So this is equal to rupees 34,000 minus rupees 1700. So this is equal to rupees 32,300 rupees. So this is the new price of the scooter after decrease of 5%. So let us solve this in another way. Second method. So let the price of the scooter is rupees 100. So it has decreased by 5%. That means the new price or decreased amount first is rupees 5. So the new price of the scooter is equal to rupees 100 minus 5. This is 95 rupees. So when the price of the scooter is 100, then after decreasing, then the new price of the scooter will be rupees 95. So the price of the scooter when the price is rupees 100, then new price is rupees 95. But it is given that the price of the scooter is 34,000. When the price is rupees 34,000, then new price is 95 by 100 multiplied with 34,000. So this can be 95 multiplied with 34, 0. So this is 32,300. So in this way you can calculate what is the increase and decrease percentage